It is Sunday morning and I take you on a little walk here in Medjugorje. The local mass is going on right now at the moment. There are around 4 masses, Sunday masses for local people here in Medjugorje. Can you imagine? And they're sitting outside. The masses are now outside because the weather is good, as you can see over there. And I take you a little around here. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the videos, that other people also can see the beauty of Medjugorje. And if you like to support my ministry, you can do that via Patreon or via bank transfer. You find the data below in the description of the video. Have a joyful Sunday wherever you are, and let's go for a walk. As it's very hot already at 11 to 5, a lot of people are inside. People ask me, why are there so few people on the street? Because it's getting very hot. We have like 27 degrees Celsius at the moment this week. So there was not a long springtime directly into heat, as people locally told me. And it's truly like that. So around 11, 12 it's getting very hot. It's good to stay inside and come out for the rosary at 5 again. I will go for mass soon now, but I will take you a little more around here. You can see over there. I will take you this way down here, a little way I didn't film yet, next to burritos. You see in the back, local mass is going on. They're sitting outside. The mass is outside. People are under the trees where it's not so hot, as you can see. It's already warm. And that's it for now. And come to Medjugorje. You will experience a beautiful time, as I can tell you out of first-hand experience. It's just an amazing place. I never thought a place like this existed, where you can get healing and more profound faith. It's just beautiful here. See people at mass. I will stop the filming now and go to mass as well.